I've learned quite a lot while I've been here. It's definitely different to what I've done before, A-level, GCSE. It's a lot more kind of in-depth. Everything goes into a lot more detail. It's just a really interesting course. My favourite thing on the course would probably have to be the way the tutors interact with the students. It's a lot more helpful than what I found at A-level. Probably the best thing I've learnt so far would have to be about the obesity. I found it really interesting. Everything was just in more depth than what I knew. The tutors are really helpful, like during my time at university. They understand that it's your first year. The workshops are definitely interesting. The seminars are good. With a smaller number of people means they can interact a lot better and for a longer amount of time than if the classes were really big. When I came to look around Liverpool Hope University, I found the campus a lot more open. It was more greener spaces. It was less intimidating, more welcoming. Everyone's pretty much been in the same boat before. Everyone's come into uni for the first time away from their family, made friends straight away. Once I leave University at Liverpool Hope, I plan to join the Navy as a medical assistant, and I hope that health will help me towards that, understanding the way the body works.